Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So I wanted to do a very quick video thanking Danielle Christensen. She made this beautiful, I got this Friday, and it's just this beautiful, beautiful little book. So I'm just going to show you real quick. But as you can see, all done by her. And she, put a few little treats inside. So these little tags and stuff. So I am moving, that's all I do is move my stuff around. But I'm gonna, I've been hanging up some stuff that you guys send me. I mean, look how gorgeous. Gorgeous, right? Strong as the new pretty. She wrote me a beautiful little message. I mean, look. This came right at the right time. She sent me a few, I know she probably doesn't want me to say this, but she sent me a few bucks to help me out, which I appreciate so very much. But as much as I appreciate that, I appreciate this as well, because I just love getting your guys' art and your energy. And I so wish that to mail things to you guys wasn't so expensive. Although I do have some treats coming up. But it gets to be expensive, so I haven't done them in a while. And I can't remember. Look how cute. Because I love my little dogs. Be brave. Be fearless. Look what the little, oh gosh. So cute. Let it go. I will not sing. Where there's love, there's no darkness. These stamps and just her art and these little words are just, I mean, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And just means so much to me. So I want to thank her publicly because it means so very much. And thank you just for thinking of me and taking the time out of your life to make this and send it to me. It means so very much to me. So thank you so much, Danielle. And as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. I love you guys. And even your comments and all your emails mean so, so very much to me. You guys will never know. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.